Hi everybody! On this video, I am going to teach you how to make a character move, a sprite move on Scratch. So, we are going to use two methods. Let's start with the first method. So, we'll just add when green flag is clicked and go to this position. The X is 7 and Y minus 5. Let's start the movement. So when right arrow key pressed, it will change X by 10. Duplicate this and change this change when left arrow key pressed and change X by minus 10, like that. You also make when up arrow key pressed, it will change Y by 10. Duplicate this one, down arrow, and this one change Y by minus 10. Let's test it out. Yes, it moves like that, but it doesn't move very well. It will only move if you press one key at a time. It cannot go diagonal because it can only move one key at a time. And if this will keep moving every time we press arrow keys. So if the program starts, it will move, and if the program actually stopped, the sprite will be able to move too, like this. So the program is stopped, and when I move, so let's say the program is starting and I move and I stop the program, and the sprite can still move like that. So this is not really good. So let's jump into the next method. Delete this one, and then after this, when green flag is clicked and go to block, add a forever block. Also if block 4 times, like that, and add key. Just put it down here. Let's start with this two. This one is right arrow, this one is left arrow, this one is up arrow, and this one is down arrow. Put it in here. Like that. Also add a block. Change X by 10. Change left arrow by change X by minus 10. Sorry. This one change Y by 10. This one change Y by minus 10, like that. So let's test it. Okay, the program is running, all's running, and besides that, it moves really smooth. And besides that, it can also move diagonal, like that. If you use the method that we used before, it cannot move diagonal, like that. And if the program is stopped, we cannot move. If we press any arrow key, it cannot move. So the sprite will be able to move if we start the program, like that. But if we stop the program, the sprite won't be able to move, like that. So that is two methods how you make a sprite move. So this is the basic movements to make a sprite move, like that. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. See you next time. Bye!